So this marks 15 years of making content, and wow, it's been a journey. I remember the first video I did, I got 12 views, and I was like, dude, 12 people that don't know who I am saw my video. That's amazing. I really look back on those times fondly about making videos, just of those times, because 12 views, man, that's not a lot, but like I was so happy, and half of those were probably me and my friends, but like I was like, I got like 12 views, bro, let's go. Like people saw my video, like just being like able to put something out in the world and being able to like for people to see it was just amazing. And I kind of lost that wonder, honestly, like unless I get like 10 million views or so many views so fast, it's like kind of lose that wonder, which is which is really not good. And but I mean, I think it's just like a drug, views, subscribers, followers, whatever. Like, it's just like a drug. It doesn't satisfy. Like, it's just you build up a tolerance, and now it's like you have to get 10,000 views in an hour or something, for it to like hit your brain or whatever. I don't know. It's crazy, but yeah, I was thinking about how it's been 15 years, and so thankful for you guys that have stuck around for this long. Thank you. This channel has been like a decade, a little over a decade, but I had another previous channel. Um, but yeah, thank you for sticking around as long as you guys have. Um, Hope you guys are pursuing the Lord and pursuing your dreams and your gifts. But I'll talk to you guys later.